This is 4th May, early in the morning, 6:30, and wherein I had a dog with me, and later it passed away, I think, after 8 years. And like we had two dogs actually. One passed away after 7 and one after 8 years. And after that, we didn't get a dog for home, but I thought of adopting a street dog, which always stays just next to our home. So I have two adopted dogs. Like I take in the sense I can say it as I take care of them, like for food or anything. But still, as it's a street dog, these dog goes with too much of abuses, like people hit them. Even I had experience, like I understand that these dogs like disturbs very much, wherein it has damaged my seat bike seat cover, and it has made a scratch on my car. It tore my tarpaulin. End of the day, like as we are creation of God, even these dogs also a creation of God. So we can't do anything, and the only thing is we can just protect our things and but do not harming them. So I made a parking tent also for my car. So I really don't like to like blame the dogs, because it's our mistake. If I would have had a parking space in my car, in my home over here, like definitely would have not done. But this dog is an extreme thing. It climbs from here, it's gonna jump from there and comes on my terrace and like sleeps over there. But still, it's fine. It's okay for me. But the only thing is, when you slowly teach them, doesn't matter it's a like good breed dog or a street dog, it actually learns. So you can see over there, so it's looking over there, it's actually pregnant. So maybe today or tomorrow gonna give birth to babies. It's just looking at me. So if I just call her, she gonna come here. And there is another dog over here. So I'm gonna show that too. So the video, the main reason of making this video is, wherein that particular dog which I showed you, it's giving a birth. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how it has made its setup and everything. Let me just use my back camera and show you. So we have added, as it's trying to give birth, it will be little hungry, and the dogs will be hungry immediately after they give birth. So we have added some rice and egg mixture thing, but I added milk, added biscuit. I don't know, it's not hungry, I think. And this is father dog. Yeah, this is the one, and this is the naughtiest dog. I think it's like spoiled my almost 4 to 5 slippers, flip-flops, and this is the one which is trying to give birth. Running. Bye. This is the one naughty dog, and I got this operation done, wherein when dogs try to like when we do that operation, the birth control will be done. That operation has been done for this dog, and you can see, look at her face, like someone has hit her very hard on her head, and the entire eyes were filled with pus. Later my mom added some painkiller tablet, and then she added some coconut oil on her eyes, and it was clear. It's fine now. And that's the one which I'm talking about. She's sitting over there. So I'm gonna show you how she's gonna take me to her a place where she's trying to give birth. Lele. Ranimba. Hi, hello. Hi. Nadi, in jaga torture. ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ಇದು ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ ರಣೆ, ಹಾಂ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ. ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಬೇಡ ನಿನಗೆ, ತಿನ್ನು 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 ತಿನ್ನೋದು. ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ, ಜಾಗ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಾ, ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಾ, ತೋರಿಸು. ತೋರಿಸು, ನಡಿ ನಡಿ ತೋರಿಸು. So it's showing me the place where she's gonna give. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸು, ತೋರಿಸು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸು, ಒಳಗಡೆ ತೋರಿಸು, ತೋರಿಸು ಒಳಗಡೆ ರಣಿ, ತೋರಿಸು ತೋರಿಸು. ತೋರಿಸು. So that is where place she has made where she's gonna give birth. ಓ ತೋರಿಸು, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೋರಿಸು. ಹೋಗು ಮಲ್ಕೋ, ಹೋಗು ಹೋಗು ಮಲ್ಕೋ, ಹೋಗು. And actually when I shifted to this is my new home, when actually we shifted over here, this dog was really scared. Okay, this is where she gonna sleep and give birth. Milk, shit. So that's, she just showed me the place where she's gonna give me birth. The dogs really understand the language, and it actually says whenever she gets like pain in the stomach, she comes over here and she sits here and she started crying. And when my mom comes out and talk to her, she feels relaxed. So that's what I just wanted to show. I'm just waiting for her to give birth, and maybe after a month, if any of you guys interested in adopting these street dogs, you can let me know, so I can give you a puppy. Maybe this is her fourth time, fourth delivery, I think. Fourth time she's giving birth to this puppy. I think it should be around more than 4 puppies. Usually it's like first 2 or 4 and then it always increases. So let's see, and if anyone really interested in adopting the street dogs, instead of going to a high breed dogs, you can just let me know the comment. And I do have some pigeons over here, eat, take bath in the water which I've kept. So that's it guys, I just wanted to make this video to show my adopted street dog is giving a birth, and I'm really happy, and I'm waiting. I feel like this connection between this street dog is from maybe 3 or 4 months. Initially it was very scared. It used to run whenever see humans, because it's been so much abused. Like people used to hit stone and everything. When I came to this thing, then I started warning people not to hit, and after that, people at this particular road where I stay, they have avoided. In my presence, I have not seen them hitting. When I added a camera over there, I see people just sending it away when it goes near their place or goes near their bike or anything. So let's see, I'm waiting. So as soon as it gives birth, I think definitely that's gonna give me a signal. So I'm gonna make another video and upload it. So still that, stay tuned, and if you're not yet subscribed my channel guys, please do subscribe my channel and help me in uploading more and more videos. What else? Catch you in my next video, and thank you so much for your love and support. Because of you guys, I've reached 75,000 subscribers. Catch you in my next videos. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.